welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of November's Boxycharm Base Box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's the card this month. It is the same theme or same card as the premium box, except for of course on the back is different products. So first up, I'm going to get the skincare out of the way, and this is something by Biro, I think is how you say it. Biro, I don't know. This is the Fig Renewal Oil. So it's in this white box, which I don't know if there we go, my camera might pick it up. Just a very nice looking outer packaging. But here is what the actual product looks like. So it's this nice, like, kind of frosted glass bottle. It looks really pretty, I will say that. That's a nice looking like bottle. It almost looks like a perfume bottle, like, you know, like one of those old ones that you would just like taps on the side of each ear. This baby retails for $72, which is no surprise because skincare is expensive. So I was looking at it, I think it's kind of like a moisturizer, or like, I don't know, it says on the box directions to warm a few drops in the palms of your hand and apply over the face, neck, and neck after cleansing and before or after moisturizing. So maybe it's like an extra step before your moisturizer. If you see something buzzing around, there's a fly in here. I don't know how there's a fly in my house, considering it's so cold outside. I guess this one slipped in before the freeze came in. Alright, so that's all the skincare that was in the box. So now moving on to the makeup products. Now I did, as usual, try out what makeup products that I could on my face today, just so I can give you guys kind of like a first impression / review of the product as I pull them out. So first up, I'm seeing something in here from Luna Magic, I think is what the brand name is. Yes. And this is the Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. And this is a new launch item. And this retails for $16. See, I mentioned in my premium box that I had been getting a lot of lip balms, and here we are again, another lip balm. But I think this is an actual lip balm, whereas the other ones were not really real lip balms. Anyway, so it comes in two like scents, I guess. So there's the cherry one and then the mango one. I tried the cherry one out. I put it on my lips before I put on my makeup. So I would say that these are actual lip balms. Like, they have a little bit of pigment, but not very much. And it was pretty moisturizing on the lips. So I can definitely see myself getting some good use out of this, especially with the colder months coming up. It's now pretty cold where I'm at. Winter, I think, is finally here. Anyways, this retails for $16, and like I said, new launch item. So yeah, I'm pretty happy to have gotten these. Alright, and then next up we have something here from Real Her, and this is Metallic Eyeliner Duos. And these retail for $30, which I think is a little pricey for eyeliner, but then again, it is a duo, so maybe they're like $15 each, I guess. I don't know. I think that's still kind of pricey for lip eyeliners, but whatever. But these are the metallic ones, so maybe that's why. I don't know. But they are like pencil eyeliners, which I'm not too impressed with. I really don't like pencil liner anythings. I will swatch them. I didn't try these out because, I don't know, I'm really picky when it comes to like eyeliners. Like, I usually use gel liners in my bottom waterline, kind of like how I do the white. I like it to make my eyes pop. And although these do look really nice, these are just not colors that I could see myself using that often. So I don't really know if I'm going to keep these, honestly. I might pass these on, but there they are. So one's like a blue shade and the other one's like a bronze shade. Anyway, so there's those two things. And then next up we have a product from Ciate London, and this is their Velvet Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Cocoa, and this retails for $18, and this is also a new launch product is what it says. So I did use this, and it's on my lips right now. It's a very nice like nudie pink shade. There it is right there. So I used the liner, and then I just used a liquid lipstick that I had in my vanity to create this combo here. So I actually really like the liner. I thought it was really pretty color. This is like these are like the lip liners that I really like, are these pinky kind of nudish ones. I use those a lot. I mean, I don't typically use lip liners all the time, but if I were to use one, I'd want one in that shade. So I'm pretty happy about that shade. And it's funny because in my premium box, my previous video, I was talking about, I think I got 2 lip liners. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got 2 lip liners in that box. And I was talking about how they're never the shades that I want. I always like, you know, the nude pinky ones. And then I end up getting one in this box. I just think it's kind of funny. All right, and then last but not least is my choice item, I believe, for the box. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure this is what I chose. But anyways, it's from Ofra, and this is the Face It Midi palette. And this retails for $35. And it is a bronzer and highlighter palette. So here's the highlighter. I know my lights are probably blinding it out, but here's it's supposed to be a contour shade, a highlighter shade, and then a bronzer shade. So I did try this out, but I only used 2 of the shades. I used the contour shades as my bronzer shade because it's cool toned, and that's what I prefer to use as a bronzer, is cool tones. That just works best for my skin tone. I did go ahead and use the highlighter. That is what is on. I didn't use this because it's just very orange and very shimmery, and I'm not a fan of orange. I wouldn't say it's orange. It's very warm. That's what I'll call it. A very warm bronzer, and warm bronzers just don't work for my skin tone. They make me look orange, which is why I call them kind of like orangey shades, because it makes me orange, but it's not really orange. That's just what it does to me. It's too warm for my face or for my skin tone, so I like cool tone ones. Can't use this one. And I honestly am not a fan of bronzers with like shimmers in them. I know some people love those and they look good on other people, but for me it just doesn't work. But anyways, I did try this out, and I do like the contour and the highlighter. I think the highlighter is very pretty, very blinding, and the contour shade worked very well for me. So this is a pretty nice palette. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I'll do kind of like a final run through, kind of like my final thoughts on everything, and to ultimately let you know whether or not I thought the box was worth it. Alrighty, so the overall value for my box is $171, which is not too bad considering what I paid for the box. Alright, so final thoughts on everything. So for skincares, I thought it was pretty well balanced when it came to skincare versus the makeup side. I only got one skincare, which is pretty much what I prefer when it comes to my box. I only like getting like at least one skincare. I don't usually like more than that. I mean, I'm fine with it, but you know, I prefer way more makeup over the skincare part. But this product does look pretty interesting, so I'm curious to see and try this product out, so I don't mind getting that. Now when it comes to the actual makeup products, although I love makeup, don't get me wrong, I will say that I feel like the makeup side is pretty, I don't know, not very exciting. So I got the eyeliner duo, which maybe it's just because I don't use these shades of eyeliner. Maybe that's why I'm just like, because this is a product that I'm not going to use, and honestly I feel like $30 for this is just kind of expensive in my opinion, but that's just me. That's my personal thoughts. Then I got the lip balms, which again is kind of just a not very exciting product. Sure, I'll use it for sure because I do use lip balms and they're nice to have on hand. But again, I don't know. I wouldn't really consider this like a real makeup product. But again, that's just my personal opinion. So that's an okay product. And then the lip liner, I don't mind the shade, and I will definitely use this. But again, another lip liner. We got an eyeliner duo, and now we have a lip liner, so that's just another kind of like, it's not very exciting. And then the last product, which is the product that I chose, was the face palette. And although this product's not bad, but again, it's really not that exciting. Honestly, I don't think it was worth it this month for me personally, just because the products in here really aren't that exciting, and they're nothing that I couldn't live without. Usually in my other boxes, I'll get at least like a eyeshadow palette or something that just kind of is like exciting, so it kind of makes it worth the box. Whereas honestly, everything in this box is really not. I can't really pick a product in this box and be like, yeah, this is what makes the box worth it. It would probably be this product, but even this product itself, I'm really not that excited to get. So honestly, I don't think it was worth it for me this month. If you had showed me what I was going to get and I had the option to pass, I probably would have passed. But they don't let you do that. They don't show you what's in the box until you get it, and you've already paid for it. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just feeling a little picky this month, but yeah, I'm not impressed with anything in the box this month. But that's just my opinion. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box. Do you guys think I'm being a little harsh this month, or do you kind of agree that it wasn't really exciting? Let me know down in the comments because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!